Alright, welcome back everyone. This time on the MG I'm going to start stripping out the last few bits and pieces that are inside the boot so I can get it all prepped up and give it a coat of paint. I'm not going for it to be an absolutely immaculate, but we want to make it look better than what it does. So at least when you look in there it looks tidy. So yeah, let's start to strip it out. I've already pulled out a bit of wiring which goes up to the switch up here. I also need to find the hinges as well for the boot because they'll need painting at some point in the near future. So yeah, right, let's get the rest of this wiring out. And there's some boards that go in here, so we'll get them off, undo all these clips, get that out, and then we give it a good old clean out, sand up, and yeah, epoxy it and paint it like we did under the bonnet. Right, let's go for it. We leave them studs on there. I don't know if you can still see them. The studs for the earth, I'm going to leave them on, I'll just mask them up. Right, get these out now. These have been riveted on, I think they should be screwed on. Someone riveted them. Well, that fit all together, man. No wonder I left them in there. Oh, that's it. Oh, that was a faff. Alright, yeah, so as you can see, they painted them on there. Only cut bits of board. I decided I'm going to put them back on afterwards, but I'll paint these. I'll probably make a couple of new ones because they're a bit bowed, look. We'll see. Right, do the other side. That'll come out a bit easier. Right, cool. So that's that off. Right. I think that's about stripped in there now. So there's a load of old horrible seam sealery kind of stuff over there. So I need to dig that out so we can do that nicely. I'd already previously dug out the other side. So yeah, it's all good fun, isn't it? Right, Well, that didn't take long to strip that out, did it? Let's just try and tidy it all up a bit now. There is some sound deadening in here as well. I think I might get rid of that as well. I don't know. I don't like the stuff. And a bulb there. Right, cool. I'll be back in a minute. I'll probably just show you the aftermath. Right, so I've got it all stripped out both sides now. You can see where they didn't cut that grate when they put the new inner wheel well in it. The inner outer wheel well, whatever you want to call it. I don't know. But yeah, it's all solid in there though. So no more welding. Yay! This side's all good. All that horrible. I don't know what it was. Let me see if I find it better. Like, to me, it looks like it's like cork or mastic or I don't know. That is what was all along that seam. So, not the right stuff for the job. So, that's all scraped out of there now. So now we need to like try and wire wheel it, which ain't going to be very easy because there's not a lot of room in there. But just give it a good old strip off really. It'll take a little bit of time, but I don't think I'll film it or I'll just come back to you as I progress. Right, so I've been giving it a good old clean up. All looks good. I thought that was a rust hole then, but it's not. But yeah, all good down in there. But I was just starting to clean the boot fork, and what would you know? We found another little rust hole. There's a bit of filler in it, so that was handy. Right, now I wouldn't normally do this because the fuel tank's under there. However, the tank is brand new, so it hasn't even had any fuel in it. So I've cut a square out. I'll put a bit of work through primer on the inside. I'm just going to tack that in there. I'm not going to film it. I just want to get this sorted. So yeah, just when you think you've finished the welding, another bit comes to bite you. But hey ho, should only take me 5 minutes. Right, there we go. So I welded that in there. Just need to clean it up now. Right, back to what I'm meant to be doing. Right, so I've seam sealed around all of that now. It's not the best, but it's a hell of a lot better than what it looked like before. The same that side. Filled in all that gap, seam sealed that. Right. So that's going to be about it for this video because I've got to go in a minute. So yeah, so join me next time when hopefully we'll get all of this into epoxy and then get it coated up with some green, and then we can actually start moving on to the outside bodywork. So that'll be nice. Right, cool. Thanks for watching and catch you all next time.